Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Hey there, Motorheads. We've all seen automotive enthusiasts that want to modify their vehicle, and they go out and maybe grab a body kit, spend thousands of dollars on it, but then they run to the hardware store and just grab any bolt or fastener, and they grab a pop rivet or something like that and put it on the car. Well, at ZSpec Design, Karen, your slogan is hardware matters.
Correct.
Why is hardware so important if you've got a high-performance vehicle or something you want to make really look good?
It makes the engine bay look pretty.
That's it. It's bling for your automobile. But there's also some advantages too, because at ZSpec Design you have materials that are going to be better than the OEM materials.
Correct. So we have titanium and we also have stainless. This is titanium up here, and this is our stainless line, one of the strongest in the industry.
Of course, you need strength, especially in places where there's unsprung weight or there's a lot of vibration and
Yes.
that sort of thing. And a lot of these smaller engine cars have a lot of vibration, so this is going to hold up to that.
And our body kit hardware also comes with a rivet nut or a well nut, so you can choose if you want an application that will stay on the car more permanently, which is a rivet nut, or if you're looking to be able to take it on and off, you'll use a well nut.
So how many different colors are we talking, and how many different designs do you have at ZSpec?
So we have 15 different colors for under the hood. That's our stainless line. So it comes with a colored washer, which is the 15 different ones. And then the titanium, we have 7 different colors, which would be all of these right here.
If you have a certain color combination and I want something different, how do we go about that?
Well, they could just pick up the phone and give us a call, and I can always customize it to what they would like. If somebody is looking for, say, red and black as their colored washer, I can customize it for them and change up the baggies for them.
You mentioned kits. What kind of hardware is included in a kit, and how many different kits do you have?
We have over 170 different kits for different makes and models. Like a Ford Mustang, there's 3 different applications for that. Chevy Camaro, Corvette, a lot for the Nissan Infiniti Datsun, Kia Stinger, things of that nature.
And you started in the Datsun Nissan world.
We did.
And you've expanded quickly. Who was coming to you needing parts like this?
So we spun it up because we have a Nissan 300ZX that we wanted to kind of modify. The bolts on the engine bay were just kind of yucky. We didn't necessarily like what was on the market, so we decided to customize our own and dress up our own engine bays, which we have to the fullest extent. And then we had more and more requests for other vehicles, and that's kind of where it's spun from there.
What's the latest and greatest? What's come down the pipe recently?
We have a newer Ford Bronco.
And a lot of stuff, it's not just in the engine bay too. You've got fasteners for other parts of the vehicle.
Correct. Inside the Bronco, they have a door and a cargo net that we can also add fasteners to. There's a center console that we add fasteners to, trunk fasteners, door jamb fasteners. We basically can cover a good majority of the vehicle.
You and your husband, Chris, he's an engineer, and you think of a lot of details. Rubber gaskets underneath the washers that'll make sure you don't scratch the paint and that sort of thing. And that's included too in the oil cap you have over there. What are some of the design considerations that make that unique on the market?
Well, what's unique is that you can customize the bolts around here. We have 7 different colors because this is titanium, so it makes it a lighter weight than stainless. And you also get a cap that you can, after you twist this on, you then center the cap. This way it'll be centered with the car. And it does have the gasket, so this way, it does seal it in.
I know with tires and with things like an oil cap, it's annoying because you put it on there and it always comes up off center, so that is a terrific idea. And then moving on here, you've got a battery bracket?
We do. So this is a battery bracket, one of many that we have for different vehicles. This would be a Nissan 300ZX Z31 because this one actually mounts to the firewall. But otherwise, we have almost any make and model.
And then moving on, some trim pieces here. You've got a carbon fiber look piece, which obviously would be an upgrade.
Yeah, so this is a 350Z door finisher. This is actually for an 03 to 05. This happens to be the passenger side, but we have a carbon fiber finish on this. The OEM ones tend to scratch, and ours do not.
Very nice. And then you do have a piece that looks more like an OEM piece, and this is for 300Z, correct?
Yes, this is our newest product that is just getting released this month. This is the door finishers for the 300ZX. It's coming in 4 different colors.
And onto a dash bezel that you have as well. This is for 350Zs?
This 300ZX
300ZX,
yes.
I gotcha.
Yes.
And you make right and left-hand drive, which I think
Correct.
is very cool. So the world can come to you.
And they do. We have distributors all over the world, Japan, Australia, and they require the right-hand drive.
I love the attention to detail at ZSpec Design. Even little things like here on this Momo steering wheel, the bolts here, you can get those in different colors and they really add a pop of color to it.
They do. It's almost like jewelry, if someone likes jewelry.
Well, I'd say that for the whole car. You're looking at
Exactly.
bling for your entire vehicle.
Yes.
And you're saving a few pounds of weight, too, with the
Yes.
materials you guys
Correct.
use, if folks are interested in that. And if you don't know what you need, ZSpec Design sells this in metric and SAE. This is a tool to find out what kind of hardware and what sizes you actually need for your vehicle. Again, they have thought of everything. You can find them at zspecdesign.com because hardware matters. More great products for your vehicle coming up, so stay tuned to Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools.com.